Hi everyone, and I am CEO of the Jobness and BMS Solution. Uh, the question might be Abi have much more time to asking the anyone before hiring that what are your strengths, because we need these things to asking that we are having the employees what type of the strength they might have. So when any your interviewer asks you this question that they want to know all about your positive qualities. These positive qualities need to relate to what they want to and they are looking for. Okay, so before you head into your interview, make sure you do the research as what kind of the person suit for the job, especially if you are a renewable new entering the workforce for your first time. So treat the question as a chance to advertise yourself. You are the product, and now market yourself. The thing is to remember that here is not just list the number of the adjective. Anyone can do this, that instead use example to support your point. Okay, for example, you could answer with any of the following: to be punctual. Okay, to be on time. I am punctual person. I always arrive earlier and complete my work on time. My previous job had a lot of deadline time when I must finish something, but I made sure that I was organized and adhere to respected all my jobs. So you can answer that to be punctual. Next, to be team player. Of course, to work well with others, I consider myself to be a team player. I like to work with other people, and I find that it much easier for to achieve something when everyone work together and communicate well. To be ambitious, to have goals, I am ambitious. I have always set myself goals to it motivate me to work hard. Okay, I have achieved my goals so far with my training, education, and work experience, and now I am looking for the way to improve myself and grow. Okay, so you can say that to be a team player, my best quality is my strength. To be ambitious, to have goals, I am ambitious. I have always set myself goal and motivate me to work hard. Okay, I have achieved my goals so far with my training, education, and experience. To take initiative, I do something without having to told to do it. When I work, I always take initiative. I see that something that need to doing, I don't wait for instruction, and I do it. I believe that to be get anywhere in life you need to this quality. Okay, to be proactive, to do things and make them happen. I am proactive when I think about thing, I do think I look like to see result, and it's important in the industry to proactive, and it can really see result, and it's important in this industry to proactive and responsible for your own action. Okay, to keep your cool, to keep your cool, to stay calm in any kind of this situation. This is the something traits which leaders have. Okay, to be cool in every situations. It can be really stressful everywhere, but one of my greatest quality is that I can keep myself cool. I don't know allow to pressure to get to me. I am built to working with pressure, which help me achieve all my goals and remain focused. Okay, here are number of the other words that help you answer this question, like a focused, to concentrate well, problem can find answer, like you can say I am best problem solver. I love to solving problems. Negotiate, that to be able to better deal with the favorable to you. Confident, not shy, you don't feel shy. Team building skills, you are able to take the lead and be leader in the group. Okay, to have a good work ethics, to work hard, follow the rules, and respect your duties of the job. Remember, it's really important that you are give good solid answer and back them up, and then evidence. Otherwise it's just going to sound like you are memorize what you are saying. Okay, some companies won't directly ask you what is the strength are. Okay, so they could ask same thing, but using different words, such as why do you think you should hire you. Okay, they directly don't going to ask you what is your strength. They can ask you that why do we think, why do you think that should hire you. Okay, what are the qualities you have. Why do you think you are the best person for the job? They can ask this like this. What can you offer us? What make you good fit for our company? So any question anyone ask you, such reply whatever I have told you. So watch, if you preparing for giving an interview, just watch this time again and again and understand whatever I have told you about to strength.